Okay, all nails have been prepped, meaning filed, buffed, and base coated in order for the color coats to go on and adhere and have longevity for the person that's wearing them. I typically make most of my nails to fit me so that they're presentable, whether it be social media or on my website. The next thing that I'm doing to this nail for the look that I'm doing is white polka dots. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, but yeah, white polka dots. So we're just going to start here. Got some on my palette, and then I'll just move through. And that's what it looks like. I will go ahead and give that a cure. So, let me see. I could probably do one more, like here. Yeah, that looks good. So now I'll give it a cure for, I could do 30 seconds, but in this case I'll do 60 because this nail is pretty much done. So I just did the second nail in the series. I sometimes do them on opposite fingers. Sometimes I match them up. It just depends on my mood. But in this case, I'm going to let it sit and settle so that the dots are not as raised and they can sort of level out. That's what I love about gel. If I don't like it, I can just take it off and remove it and do it again. I'm going to go ahead and ombre some of the nails in this set, and then I'll show you the finished product. And here is the finished product. I don't know if I've got that lighting on there, but this is what I typically do. I get an idea in my head, I execute it. I wear my own sets, and of course I test them out and then put them on the website. So if you're interested in a set or you want a custom set, you have something in mind, let me know. Hit me up. My link is in the bio. Thanks for watching.